How to get sales with the Conversion Pros marketing system. All right, guys, my name is Adrian. This video right here, I'm going to show you how you can get more sales with the Conversion Pros. Doesn't matter what business you are in, but with our system, the Conversion Pros, we made something sweet for you guys. It doesn't matter what business you're in. So, for example, if you are in the Forex business, just click here, right? Then watch this video, and then at the end, they will see how to make pages, cool pages like this. And then when they click here, join now, they'll come to the Conversion Pros, try it for free for 2 weeks, and that's how you can get more sales with the Conversion Pros by helping people in different business. You got the Forex, you got the Bitcoin, you got the travel business people, you got the making money affiliate sign up people, you got the credit pair business people, you got the CBD business, the hemp, you got the get weight loss business, get makeup business, you got the make more money on ClickBank business. So, for example, when they click the affiliate right here, they watch this video, and when they click the join now to start making cool pages for any business I just named, they'll come to my Conversion Pro. Just fill this information out, create a password, username, try it for free. It's 2 weeks for free, guys. And what you get for 2 weeks for free? You get the webinar replay, what timer, capture, and landing page builder, custom autoresponder, email broadcaster, text message broadcaster, real-time generic BIZ op leads, real-time female leads, real-time male leads, real-time live interview BIZ op leads, blog creator, invoice generator, tiny URL creator, URL rotator, URL tracker, QR code generator, custom marketing videos, internet marketing training, and insert tracking pixels, guys. Now, after 2 weeks, yes, it will cost $50 a month, but with our company, we'll pay you 50% commission back. So you get 2 people in, guess what? You get all these tools for free, guys. It's unlimited too, guys. So now you get all these tools for free for your business. You get more than 2 people in, you're in profit. All right, guys. What else I can show you? Okay, one more thing I want to show you before I end this video. How I'm using this, guys. I just set it up, and you'll get my share codes too for this right here. You get my share codes to join my team. Just leave a message on below this video like that, and if you join my team, I'll give you my free share codes for these pages like this. Also, what I'm doing for free traffic, so I always got people want free traffic. So what I use for free traffic is traffic ad bar. And traffic ad bar, this is where I test pages for the most part. But what it do is I earn points. And it's about the ladder, guys. So I made a couple videos in my YouTube channel like that, so you can check that out. I don't want to go through all that. But you earn, like I'm on ladder 9. The higher you get, more traffic you get to your business. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Conversion Pros, tiny URL with this, right? You see I got 635 hits, right? And it's free traffic, guys. And that's why you get the link right here, and you see that that little small link. It track every hit. And what I'm doing is from this page, let me show you. From this page right here, when they click here and click here and click here and click here, the only link I have on traffic ad bar is this right here. That's why you see it's 635 times hits. And then when they click on weight loss, 5, 7, 3, 5, 3, 6, 5, right there. So I'm tracking every time they click on one of these links right here. And right now, the affiliate signups link that I can show you again is getting right here. This link right here is getting clicked more times. So let me click on it one more time. And you can see right there. So when they click right here and join now, I'm tracking this link also, guys, with the Conversion Pros. So for example, if I refresh this, now you see it's 7 right here, right? So if I refresh it, it would have been 8, right? But now I got 10, so somebody else been clicking on it, right? So you see that's how it works, guys, with the free traffic right here. And it's free to join this traffic ad bar. So it's just called traffic ad bar. Just watch some of my other videos or some other YouTube videos and learn more about it. But I made strong videos about traffic ad bar before. See, I have 13 referrals. So if you click here, right here, to earn points, it's very easy, guys. And it's addictive too. I ain't gonna lie to you. And right now we getting double points. So all you just want to do is just, you know, when the timer run out like that, click on ads like that. Just be honest with you too. Sometimes I learn my ad copy from these places. So you see the hits total. I got 217 hits today. My points today is 18,500. Maybe just watching a movie or something like that. Just click on one of these for 10 seconds and get your points, get your hits, and then I track everything with traffic ad bar with this, and then you also can put another tracker on if you're doing different like paid advertising. So this is the free advertising stuff right here. What I'm doing with these URLs. But I have paid advertising too, and I put like something. This is the code. I'm trying to show you the code. Like right here. This is a code right here. / SRC equals MLM leads. So I know all the traffic coming from this link right here is coming from MLM leads. All right, guys, I want to show you a quick video about the Conversion Pros. It's free for 2 weeks. You know, many people that got different business, and they also can use this marketing system, guys, and build cool pages like that. So I will leave the link below the Conversion Pros. It's free to sign up, and you'll just see this right here. Fill up your name and email and mobile phone number, address, set username, password. We not asking for no credit card. Just try it out for 2 weeks. It's wholly free. So if you want to upgrade, then you'll put your credit card in. So you have nothing to lose but the gain when you first sign up. Second thing is leave a comment below when you sign up like that. If you want to share codes for this page right here, so just let me know. And then you just got to change the click button to your Conversion Pros right here. All right, guys, quick little video for you. Happy Thursday. Make sure you subscribe below, hit that like button, and I'll talk to you another day.